Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I actually wanted to start a series on here. I decided I wanted to go on a little bit of a journey, and I figured why not bring you guys along with me. I feel like it could probably benefit some of you guys, and if it doesn't at all, then hey, you might just find it interesting to watch. So anyways, basically the name of this journey is going to be Confidently Curly Journey. I know, what the fuck is that, right? So basically, if you guys don't know, I actually have naturally curly hair. There you go. It's actually really curly, if I'm being honest. Recently, of course, as you can tell, I cut my hair and I went back a little darker, mostly to help my transition to healthy hair, I guess you could say. So yeah, this is basically going to be the journey of me getting my curls back and honestly finding a new sort of confidence in my curls. But whoever it is that's watching this, whether you have curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, I hope you're down to come along this journey with me so we can together figure out what's best for our hair. Like I said, I will be testing out as many products as I possibly can and giving you guys my honest reviews on them. Of course, you're going to be seeing the results. That's kind of what I want to do too. So this might be a very informal series because I might have a couple sit downs. I might have a couple vlogs. Not really too sure what I'm going to be doing with it, but for sure want to bring you guys along. And, you know, hopefully a couple months from now, I'll be able to post this video or look back at this video and think, ooh, my curls were not cute. So anyways, that's pretty much what this is about, and I hope you guys can either grow with me, learn with me, or just support me. One thing about curly hair is that it gets really dry, so I don't wash it as often, just to kind of try to lock in some natural moisture here and there. But of course, it is hair wash day, and since I figured this is my first official hair wash since the hair change, I would just start today and I would just start documenting it. So I'm going to share with you guys the products that I actually just picked up, a couple days ago. So here we go. Okay, so the products that I actually recently picked up, I actually grabbed them from Sephora, but I had heard of this brand many times before, and I just recently kind of was like, well, let me finally try them out. Okay, so this is the first product that I will actually be introducing you guys to. This is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Animo and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. So this has no harsh sulfates, silicones, and parabens. So here's a little bit of the description on the back. So, okay, so it says, the Curl Charisma Rice Animo Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream is infused with rice animo acids, avocado oil, quinoa extract, and tomato fruit ferment extract to enhance moisturizer and definition for soft, bouncy, and vibrant curls. That's what we want. And then for usage, it says apply 1 to 2 quarter-sized amounts to damp hair evenly from root to tip. Do not rinse. Air or diffuse drier curls. For best results, layer this cream with Curl Charisma Rice Animo and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel and apply to curls as directed. So I picked up this guy. This is the cream. And I also picked up the Frizz Control Gel because why not? Like I said, they are meant to go hand in hand. So that's one thing too. I have really frizzy hair. Like my curls can be super curly, but they will be frizzy, and I'm like, why? So this is actually my first time trying something that's solely based for frizz, or targets frizz. Okay, so again, this same one it also is free of harsh sulfates, silicones, and parabens. Here's a little description on it. The Curl Charisma Rice Animo and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel is infused with rice animo acids, quinoa extract, and tomato fruit ferment extract to boost definition for vibrant, under control curls with a lightweight, flexible hold. Okay, these are the little sisters that are supposed to go together, and I'm about to try them out right now because, like I said, I'm about to go wash my hair, and I will be right back to apply these guys with you. I actually already applied this all throughout my hair. I scrunched it up and everything. So now I'm gonna go in with the gel, and I'm gonna basically do pretty much the exact same thing I did with this product. This is the one that I'm mostly excited for because obviously I've never used anything like this and my hair is really frizzy. So doesn't smell that bad, but here it is. It's clear. Sorry, I have so many hairs on my hands right now, but this is what it looks like. It's dripping. Sorry. Wow. Seriously? I'm so shook right now. I can't. What does it doesn't look like that, but I honestly can't believe that this is my hair right now. We have a long way to go. Please, 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 regardless of whether you have curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, long hair, short hair, let me know in the comments down below what some of your favorite hair products are, or products that you have heard of that you think maybe I should go ahead and try. If there's something that you guys want me to test out for you and then give you an honest review, please let me know. I would love to try new things out. If you guys have tips, please feel free to let me know down below. Anyways, I hope you guys really liked this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really can't wait for this journey, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with whatever other crazy hair days or other ideas I come up with. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.